A very good morning to all of you and a warm welcome to GasTech Virtual Summit 2020.
We must move now on our common mission, a net zero economy by 2050, a global economy that continues to grow and prosper, and an energy transition that leaves no one behind.
The LNG business continues to grow, and it was a big bet on gas and particularly on LNG. And in the near term, but also in the long term, we still continue to see that validated as an important and growing part of the energy system.
We now live in this, information age with knowledge workers who seem to run the world.
I ask you to embrace technology and embrace change at speeds never seen before.
The focus on collaboration between producers and consumers is timely and critical to accelerating the natural gas market recovery. The world economy needs it, climate and sustainable development goals need it, and to prevent a setback on energy access by the world's poorest, we also need it.
It's good to see my fellow panelists here. It's good to participate again in GasTech. Unfortunately, we're doing it virtually, unlike last year, but I'm honored to participate again.
That the spot price in the market will be still very low, which is good news for the LNG importers. But we're still looking forward to the recovery.
How important is hydrogen really in the context of our climate aspirations? Bluntly put, it is mission critical.
We do have a vision for 2020. Now it's time to act and to deliver.
This is it, the end of 5 wonderful, fabulous, content-packed days, really rich exploration from all of the key people there, sharing their expertise, sharing their tremendous experience, and just bringing to life what's going on, yes, at the moment, and I think demonstrating the resilience of this industry in terms of making sure that, gas is actually powering ahead.
Last but not least, I would like to warmly invite you to GasTech 2021, which will be hosted in Singapore next September. As a trusted global hub, Singapore is already piloting hybrid business events with best practices in safety, cleanliness, and use of technology. And our ambition is to become the safest, most trusted, and innovative destination for business events in the months and years to come. We hope you can experience firsthand all these in Singapore next year. And I look forward to welcoming you all to GasTech 2021.